In a surprising turn of events, a user on X claims to have gotten their hands on the authentic Galaxy S24 Ultra and shared a series of photos. If these images are to be believed, Samsung enthusiasts are in for a treat. The photos purportedly showcase the actual Galaxy S24 Ultra, not a dummy unit. This revelation has ignited a fresh wave of anticipation among fans eagerly awaiting the official unveiling in January. The images highlight a flagship device with a flat back panel and an entirely flat screen, signaling a departure from the curved displays seen in previous models. This design tweak is particularly exciting for users of the S Pen, as it suggests a more ergonomic and user-friendly experience. In line with the design ethos of Samsung's flagship line, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features individual camera cutouts on the back panel, arranged in a distinctive square footprint. The metal frame of the device boasts slightly rounded edges, providing a comfortable grip. Notably, the top and bottom edges of the frame are flat, contributing to a sleek and modern aesthetic. The right edge of the device accommodates the power button, volume key, and an antenna, showcasing a thoughtful and streamlined design. The decision to opt for a flat screen is a notable departure from the trend of curved displays in recent flagship models. This choice is likely to enhance the overall user experience, especially for those utilizing the S Pen. With a display that doesn't curve around the edges, users can expect a more precise and comfortable writing or drawing experience. Samsung seems to have listened to user feedback and made a design choice that prioritizes functionality and ease of use. As anticipation builds, recent reports suggest that Samsung plans to officially unveil the Galaxy S24 series on January 17th. The Unpacked event is slated to take place in San Jose, California, providing a platform for Samsung to showcase its latest technological marvels. The leaked photos have undoubtedly added an extra layer of excitement to the upcoming event, leaving fans eager to see the device's features and specifications firsthand.